Okay, so I got a Milwaukee Switch Pack, joint snake, sectional system, drum system, whatever you want to call it. So one I bought was it was a 3/8 system. So it came with a 50 feet snake, but I also needed the 5/16 wire. So I got a 5/16 wire, but I didn't have a drum at that time. So I just installed this wire right on top with the existing drum with the 3/8. So let me see if I can open it. Okay. So in this drum, there's 50 feet of 3/8 wire and 75 feet of 5/16 wire. So a combined total of 125 feet, which is good. It's good, except there's one problem. This 5/16 wire, the head is permanent attachment. So if I want to use a different head, I can't use it. It won't come off. The 3/8 came with the medium size head. So I went ahead and bought a pack of the small head, so I could use it with the 3/8 wire. So what I need to do is remove this 5/16 wire into a drum that I just bought. So that way I could use the 3/8 wire with a smaller head when I need to. Okay, so let's figure out how I could install new wire in a drum. Of course, to remove this wire out of the drum, I will need to go to a big open space, so I have to take it outside. So gotta unlatch it. Unlatch the drum from this unit. And it should lift right up. Okay. Alright. So that's the drum of the wire, and that's the motor. So now I'll just take the drum outside with the new drum and separate up the wire. Okay, let's open up the box and figure out how to install the wire. Operator's manual. Manual. Okay, so that's what the new drum, empty drum come with. Empty drum and a manual. Let's figure if we could let's see if we could figure out how to install the new wire. Okay, so open the side. Alright, so how do you attach the wire inside? Good question. I don't know how. Might have to consult the manual to figure out. Okay, so just read through the instruction. So it's pretty easy. So I don't see anything here, but there actually is something here. That's the tip. The way you have to do it, just push this cable through from the inside until it comes out. So all the whatever cable you have, just connect right onto it. It's all same connection. Alright, let's remove the old one and transfer it over. Okay, so that's 75 feet of the 5/16 cable. There's your connection. So you just use this tool, any kind of small tiny little screwdriver, pin, whatever, just poke it in. And then once it's poked in, you just snap it apart. There you go. So that's the 3/8. So there's 50 feet of 3/8 cable in there. Oh yeah, I see some rusty water. Okay. Well, I got a time to clean it. Alright, so now I'm gonna insert this one into the empty drum. It's pretty easy. Should be pretty easy. Of course you need 2 hands. Everything needs 2 hands, huh? Well, what you have to do is just push this ball in a little bit and just slide it up. Or even you could just slide it up. And it should knock by itself. Let's see, it should knock. There you go. Yeah, it's knocked. See, that's pretty easy. So you just have to push the wires in, and it should feed itself. Close this up. Actually, let's see the drum spin in action. Can you see it? So what happens is it spins when you feed it in. Push it in, this thing spins. It spins as you push it in, and it will wind the cable up. Let me use 2 hands. That's 75 feet. Alright, so that's dedicated drum for my 5/16 with the dedicated head that's not coming off, so it's gonna stay by itself. There's 75 feet of wire inside this drum. Let's just close this up. There you go. And the heads, well, the new set I got is a small head, but I'm going to transfer it over because with the 3.8 I'm not gonna be using the medium-sized head because the head is too big for whatever pipe that this wire is going to be going to. Usually it will be going to the small pipe, so these heads will be too big. So what I'm gonna do is take these heads out and put in the new heads for these small heads. This one I'll keep out. These ones together and these two on this side. And this one, I'm gonna put it on now. Slide it up. And that one's ready to go whenever I need it. If I need, I can switch it to the cut head, the spade, the wobble, the drop head, and of course there's a pin tool. Medium size, well, I don't have space for that on there. I will just put it on this 560. Alright, so that's how you install a new cable for Milwaukee Switch Pack drum system. Hey, well, you know, actually all fit. So that's my medium size heads and my small size heads. They all actually fit under on one drum, so that's good. Yeah, that one is dedicated head. It's not coming off. It's absolutely useless to put any tools, any heads on this one, so that's good. These are all the heads that's meant for this unit, this wire. So that is perfect. Good thing I try it out. Milwaukee Switch Pack drum system for your drain snake.